Hi guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel. So today we are doing cardiovascular workout for weight loss. So hope you're joining me from home or from wherever you're joining me from, and let's do this together. So if you have any question in between the workout, kindly put it down in the comment section and I will be glad to answer you. So today we're starting with step ins. When we step in, we are always stepping on toes. It's a step touch on toes. So most of the time, constantly on your toes. So at least you reduce the tension on your knees and joints. Go for biceps. Front raise. Side raise. So realize my hands are a bit fold, so they're soft on the joints. Reach up. Elbows in. Press your elbows together. Now single hand, rotate. Right with right, left with left. We go for both hands. That is good. Okay, now rest your hands as we continue tapping in. Now this time involve your curls. Curl, curl. So curling warms your hamstrings and your calf muscles. Now we are moving 2 steps to the left with a single curl, 2 steps to the right with a single curl. We keep on increasing the workout progressively. Now give me your biceps. Front raise. Side raise. Still moving sideways with a curl. Reach up. Press your elbows in. Rotating your arms round. Back to step in. So realize it's like we are making like workout blocks. Then we keep on progressing as we advance in our workout. Okay? Step in. Now this time we go for your knee raises. Knees always going as high as your waistline. Controlled movement throughout. So don't bang your foot down. Resist when you're lowering the leg down. You land on toes fast. Moving 2 steps, single knee. To the right. To the left. We add our biceps again. Front raise. Side raise. Reach up. Press your elbows in. Still raising your knees high. Go one more. Now step in. So this is where you are catching your breath from before we move to the next workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we go for side raises. Side, 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 side. So you keep on starting low. Then with time you keep on taking your legs slightly higher than that. Okay, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again we are moving 2 steps, single knee, single raise. Raise on the side. 2 steps, single raise. Now we add our arms to the side. Squeezing again your sides as well. We call them the love handles. I don't know how you call them. Let me know in the comment section below what you call these sides. Three more, 2 more, 1 more. We step in again. This is where we are catching our breath from before moving on to the next one. 5. So this is simple workouts you can do at the comfort of your home and you still keep fit. You still lose weight if that is your target. So next is elbow to the knee, opposite elbow, controlled movement. When you're doing that, try to squeeze your tummy in as well, okay? Raise your knee, squeeze. As you raise your knee, you breathe out, 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 out. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and step in again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we are moving forward, punching for 4. Okay, as you step in and you advance forward like this. 1, 2, 3, moving back. 1, 2. So realize when you're moving back, we are going on both hands. Okay, let's go. Singles forward, both hands back. Singles forward again, both hands back. One more time for you. Both hands back. Now front raise, you're moving forward. Both hands back. One more time forward. Both hands back. Let's go again, forward. Singles. When moving back, you go with both hands. Now side raise, moving forward. Both hands back. Let's go again, forward, singles. Both hands back. Again, let's move again, forward. Both hands back. Last time for you. Both hands back. Now reach up, you're moving forward. Single hand, both hands back. Let's go again, singles forward. Both hands back. Elbows in, forward. Both hands back. Again, elbows in. Both hands back. Now side punch forward. Both hands back to the sides. Let's go again. Singles. Both hands back. Again, one more time. Singles. both hands back. Okay, all over the world. Single, both hands back. Go again one more time. Singles, both hands back. Last time. Both hands back. Now moving forward, center press. Now this time curl your legs back. Front raise. Curl your legs back. Side raise. Curl your legs back. Reach up. Curl your legs back. Elbows in. Curl your legs back. Rotate around. Curl your legs back. Now center press again. Realize we are progressing, both hands back. Now double your right, double your left, front raise, both hands back, double your right, double your left. Now side raise, both hands back, double your right, double your left, reach up, move forward, both hands back, double your right, double your left, elbows forward, both hands back, double your right, double left, sunshine forward, both hands back, double your right, double your left. From the top again we're moving, advancing our moves, both hands back, double your right, double left. Now move 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, front raise forward, both hands back, double your right, double your left, 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, side raise forward, both hands back, double your right, double left, moving 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, reach up forward, both hands back, double right, left, moving 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, elbows forward, both hands back, double right, left, moving 2 steps, double right, left, sunshine forward, both hands back, double your right, your left, 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, center press again, both hands back, curl your legs, double right, double left, 2 steps, double right, 2 steps, double left, side raise forward, curl your legs back, double your right, left, moving 2 steps, double curls, good, reach up forward, curl your legs back, double your right, your left, moving 2 steps, double curl, move, center press. Now let's add our knees back, tapping under your arms, 2 steps, double knee, side raise forward, your knees up, 2 steps, double knee, reach up forward, your knees up, 2 steps, double knee, now step in, 5, 4, realize your heart rate has gone up, that's the target, that's the intention, if you want to keep the weight off. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, heel taps for 5, 4, 3, 2, marching down, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stretch. Put your legs together, chest forward, your palms down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross forward and touch slowly behind your heels for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change the other leg. Touch down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift your knee up, pulling as high as you can, getting your balance in the process. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the back, curl your leg and pull. 5, balancing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change the other leg, pull it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the back, curl your leg and pull. 5, 4. When you're pulling, you'll feel it more on your front quads. Okay? Don't feel it anywhere else. Legs apart. Bend to the side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change the other side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same position. The lowest point you can touch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs in together. Hold by your knees. Rotating round for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very simple. Feel free to start all over again the workout from the top. Let me know what challenges you have, so that at least we can make sure you lose that weight and you keep it off forever. So just come on the comment section, let me know what challenges you have, and I will respond up. Okay, also let me know which troublesome muscles, okay, which troublesome places are giving you problems, so at least I can do more videos on that, so at least we can help you keep the weight off and looking good as always. Okay, if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. It's always good to share. Sharing is caring. Okay, someone else in your circle of friends will need this workout to improve his or her well-being. So don't be mean, just share it out as much as you can. Okay, so until the next video where we'll be dealing with muscle toning, because in as much as we're dealing with cardio, we also need to do toning. So until the next one, bye bye.